Now, the coronavirus pandemic has battered Brazil. For the first time over the last 24 hours, the death toll in Brazil has surpassed that of the United States, making it the second most affected country in the world. Despite the virus spreading rapidly, President Bolsonaro seems to evade all social distancing rules, and experts have warned about a likely spike in new cases once again. For the first time since the pandemic hit the world, Brazil reported higher daily COVID-19 related deaths than the US in the last 24 hours. Brazil's health ministry has reported 807 deaths, whereas the United States registered 620. Healthcare experts have criticized Bolsonaro's policies and have blamed him for the spike in cases. While President Bolsonaro has insisted to keep the borders open and has campaigned for reopening the economy. The White House has imposed a travel ban on Brazil, as it is the hardest hit country in South America. Few Brazilians welcomed the move by Donald Trump's administration and have also appealed to President Bolsonaro to take up COVID-19 more seriously. In Sao Paulo's Gru International Airport, hundreds of Colombian migrants, tourists and students were stranded due to the lockdown that was imposed to contain the virus spread. In the past 1 week, more than 180 people have been quarantined in the airport. With countries imposing travel ban and other COVID-19 restrictions, most migrants are stuck in isolation centers with high risk of contracting the virus.
Están llegando muchas ayudas humanitarias, mas no es factible para nosotros quedarnos en un aeropuerto donde el epicentro de Sudamérica es Sao Paulo de la pandemia, entonces pues también está corriendo riesgo muchas de las vidas de nosotros.
Despite growing concerns over the virus outbreak, President Bolsonaro has been violating social distancing norms. 2 days ago, the Brazilian president broke all health measures recommended by the World Health Organization and went to eat a hot dog as journalists and other supporters gathered around him. While some extended their support by calling COVID-19 a myth, others lashed out at the president for not acting swiftly. As of now, Brazil has reported more than 347,000 coronavirus cases, just behind the United States, making it the second most affected country in the world. It has also reported more than 23,500 deaths and around 153,000 who have been discharged till now. Our correspondent Mary Trini Mena joined us earlier from Caracas in Venezuela. Listen in about what's next for those people waiting to travel from Brazil to the United States.
They have to wait at the airports until Thursday. They have only a couple of days to conquer their travel from Brazil to the United States because this travel ban will take place in late Thursday. So they have until Thursday to travel. What people are expecting is to do that as quickly as possible. The White House says they are not trying to harm anyone. They are trying, they said, to protect the country from new cases. And in Brazil, they are having a spike and exponentially growing of the cases. What they say is that they are now the second important country in the world with most cases after the United States. So what the White House is doing, it says, is they are protecting their own citizens. Except this travel ban has an exception, and it is legal residents of the United States and also permanent residents in the United States. They can travel. But President Trump took this initiative also with other countries like China and United Kingdom and some places in Europe. What they don't want is that the spread of cases started to increase in the moment when they are trying to open their economy and some cities in the U.S.